Hi guys, Todd here again with TW HomeShow, and today I've got a treat for you. We're going to try to set up a pantry to turn on an automatic light when the door opens, and then when the door closes it will shut off the automatic light. Today we're working with the WYZE Products. They have a wide line of products, the WYZE company. I started out with one of these cameras, actually this one here, the $20 camera. This one I believe is $30, and this one pan and tilts. Anyways, they came out next with a WYZE bridge and sensor kit. Comes with all these sensors here, motion sensor, and then a couple door and window switch sensors, along with a bridge that will plug into the back of your WYZE camera. And guys, when you do that, when you plug in your bridge, you connect all of their family of devices and products together, and it allows you to operate them through their WYZE app. But today we're going to use a method to where you can use the WYZE app or the Alexa app and create a routine through the Alexa routines, or you can use the WYZE app to create a rule to have something happen when, say, a switch opens and closes, like one of these switches right here. When we hook this to the door, when this thing opens and closes. So guys, we're going to use a bulb here in this case today. Actually two bulbs, two of the bulbs. It's a double light fixture, and we're going to use one of the WYZE cam door sensors. So stay tuned guys, this is going to be very unique, and we're going to see if we can get this little task done today.
I got an ache inside of me. It's a deep hole where I bleed. Oh, can I seal it? You're like an ocean without land, not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on it. So cold yet warm when you hold me, when you close.
So you want to open up your WYZE Cam app. And we're going to go to at the top, 3 dots right here at the top right corner. Press that, and then it'll open up this box, and then you're going to want to add a product. Select that, and we're going to add a WYZE bulb. So we'll select a WYZE bulb. It says turn your light on and off 3 times to pair the bulb. So we're going to go ahead and do that. 1, 2, 3. And you'll see it comes up kind of dim, and it's kind of blinking. So we're going to connect to our Wi-Fi network, which I've already done here. Hit next, and then connect to your bulb within your Wi-Fi application on your smartphone. So go ahead and choose Wi-Fi, and then we're going to see it right here. Here's the WYZE smart bulb, and it's got another number after that. So go ahead and click that. Wait for it to connect. It says checking the quality first, so wait for that to connect. Once it connects, we're going to hit back and go back to the WYZE app. So it says connected without internet. That's fine. Go back, and it'll say connecting on the WYZE Cam app. So we're just going to wait for that bulb here to connect to the app. There it is. Now we get to name our bulb. It's that simple, guys. Your WYZE bulb is connected to Alexa too. So now we're already connected because we have the WYZE skill on our Alexa from another device. If you don't, you'll have to connect your WYZE skill next to Alexa. But right now we're going to name our bulb. Kitchen light 1, because we need 2 of these, and hit done and finish. Alright guys, we've got our bulb attached. Let's test it out. We're going to go back on the app, and there it is, kitchen light 1. If I press it right from here on the app, it says on. I'll press that, it goes off. Watch the light over here. Press it again, and it's on. And it tells you that within the app right there. Now if you can dive down further into this bulb product within the app. Right here you can see kitchen light 1, and you can control the brightness here on this slider right there. Turn it all the way up, and you can control the color of the bulb from yellow, warm yellow, to white, bright blue white. So guys, that's pretty cool. That's cool white right there. You can go down to daylight brightness. But in our pantry, we're going to probably want this full brightness, something similar to this. Anyways, let's go back out of here. We gotta program the second bulb, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, next we're going to attach our WYZE cam door sensor. This can be used on a door or window. You just double stick the double-sided tape to your frame and then one piece to your door. It's two separate pieces here, guys. We're gonna pair this to the WYZE app and then make it do something with a rule assigned to this bulb. So let's get started in pairing this sensor to the WYZE app. Go up here to the top right to the three dots, press that, add a product, select that, and we want to select WYZE contact sensor right here, and select a cam to connect your sensor to. Now these sensors come with a bridge, a wireless bridge that has to be plugged into one of the cameras. I've got one plugged into the back of one of my printer cameras. So I'm going to pick 3D printer number 1. That's where the bridge is located. So these sensors need to work with a bridge from WYZE Cam. So we're going to select printer number 1. You'll hear it talking to you. It says press the reset button. So I'm going to press it with this pin right here until the light flashes, and the light is flashing now. It said connection successful on the wireless bridge from the camera, and it's also connected to Alexa automatic. If you have your WYZE skill already connected to Alexa, it's going to do that once you pair these to the WYZE app. So this we're going to name pantry door sensor. Pantry door sensor. Pantry door sensor, done, and finish. And share with a family member, maybe later. And there it is. It says it's closed, guys. So let's test it out. We're going to open it. Pretend like the door is open. A little bit slow on that time. Let's try that. Door closed. Door closed. Opened. Okay, I'm getting a notification also on my WYZE band. This is cool too, guys. I'll show you a little bit about this WYZE band, the new product they had come out. It's a little watch, activity watch, that you can wear on your wrist for exercising, running, keep tabs on your blood pressure, stuff like that. It's very cool. You get notifications as well as a clock. So guys, let's continue on. We've got our door sensor working. Now we need to connect it to the bulbs, the WYZE bulbs. All right guys, now this is going to be a 2-fixture light in my pantry on the ceiling that we're going to be mounting these light bulbs into. So first we'll want to go into our WYZE app, and we're going to want to make these a group, these 2 bulbs, kitchen light 1 and kitchen light 2, into one group. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to go to the menu button up here, 3 dots, press that, and I'm going to do group products, if you see that right here. And I'm going to do group products, if you see that right here. And I'm going to group, make a bulb group. So hit the plus sign, this group name, we're going to do, name it pantry lights. And then we're going to select both of these bulbs to be in that group, and we're going to hit done. So now we have a group called pantry lights, and they're on right now, or we can turn them off. Of course I only have the 1 bulb in, but we're going to go ahead, once we get the sensor connected to them, we're going to go ahead and hook this up live in my pantry. Stay tuned here. Now we got to connect to make what these light bulbs do when the sensor opens like that, guys. So they call this a WYZE rule. So what you want to do is go to your pantry door sensor. We're going to create a rule. So we're going to do gear, and then we're going to do schedules and automations. Select schedules and automations and create a rule. So this is a WYZE rule. And Amazon Alexa, that's going to be called a routine. And you can do it that way as well. But right now we're working with the entire WYZE catalog of products, including their app. So we're going to do it within the WYZE Cam app. We're going to create a rule now. Press that button, and we're going to create a device trigger. And the name of the trigger will be open dash close pantry door. That's going to be our rule name. Save that. And then we want to do when device trigger. Well, we want that to happen when pantry door sensor opens. Okay, we're going to select open, save. And then what action do we want it to do when it's open? We're going to hit the plus sign for action. We want it to do a group action down here at the bottom, pantry lights. We want it to turn them on when it opens at full brightness, cool white, and save. And we want it to do it all the time, so we're not going to set a specific time here. We want it to do it all the time, so we're going to do save. We're going to add a rule, and it's going to be a device trigger. This is going to be pantry closed, save. And then we're going to do an action, hit the plus sign. We're going to do, the action is going to be when the pantry door sensor, no, action is going to be pantry lights turn off, save. Device trigger, we forgot to pick the device trigger. The device trigger is going to be when it closes, save. So the pantry closes, we want the pantry lights to turn off at any time, so we're not going to mess with that time right there, and we're going to hit save. So we got a pantry close and then a pantry open close. Let's change that. We want that to say pantry open. So when the pantry opens, I made a mistake there, so we're going to go ahead and rename that. Now we got when pantry is closed, it's going to turn the lights off. When the pantry is open, it's going to turn the lights on. Those are our rules here. And we can back out of that. And then let's try it out. Let's test it here on the bench. We're going to open this. The light's already on, of course. I got the notification on my WYZE band. It is now opened, as we see. Now we're going to close it. The light just turned off, guys. So it's working on the bench here. We're going to try it again. We're going to open the sensor, like opening the pantry door. And the light turned on. We got it, guys. Let's go hook this up in real life in my pantry. Alright guys, first we're going to remove our old bulbs from our light fixture. Whoops. See how I told you this was a two bulb fixture? So we're going to move both bulbs here. Alright guys, now we can install our WYZE bulbs. Got both kitchen light 1 and kitchen light 2. Bulbs installed. We'll go ahead and mount our cover back on. Now I've been looking for a good spot. I think I'm going to mount the sensor up here on the door, and I've already cleaned it with rubbing alcohol, so make sure you do that so you get a clean adhesion when you peel off the double sticky tape. Look at that, it's already working, guys. When I open the sensor, the lights go on. When I close it, the lights go off. So I want to make sure, I think I'm going to mount this first to the door. I'll have to close the door and then I can mount this. Okay, I've mounted the sensor at the top of the door, right up there like that, as you can see, and we're going to go ahead and test this project out. Okay, I think we've got it working. We're going to go ahead and shut this door here. Lights should be off, and we'll go ahead and open it. And we got our lights on. So let's test it out. Go inside here, make sure it's actually working inside of our pantry. And I'm gonna go ahead and shut this door now. And lights are off. And we'll open the door. And our lights come back on. Okay everyone, I hope you liked that little project. It came together really well. It was really quick to do, easy to do. I can see you doing something like this in a pantry, maybe a guest bathroom or a walk-in closet. It also has within the WYZE app that time delay where you can set within the rule. So you can have it open the closet and stay on for a half hour. And then when you leave out of it, you don't have to worry about shutting the lights off. It'll do it by itself. Guys, thanks again for tuning in to another one of my videos, and I'll see you on the next one.
A little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray.